Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss how to solve a differential equation which is in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, which is not exact. So we all know that when a given differential equation which is in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, the necessary and sufficient condition to be exact is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. If dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then the differential equation is said to be exact. If dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, then it is said to be not exact differential equation. When it is not exact, we have to make it exact by multiplying with a suitable function is called integrating factor. Here we are discussing method 2 to find out the integrating factor. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is a homogeneous differential equation, and mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then 1 by mx plus ny is an integrating factor. Okay, here are some problems to discuss. Solve x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. And second one, solve x square y minus 2xy square into dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y into dy is equal to 0. I am going to solve these two problems in this session. With these two problems, you can also understand when the differential equation is said to be exact, and if it is exact, how to solve that differential equation also. Okay, concentrate on these two problems. Coming to the first problem, solve x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. If they ask you to solve differential equation which is in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, here m is equal to x square y and n is equal to minus x cube minus y cube. This is m and this is n. So to know whether, we do not know that this differential equation is exact or not, by calculating dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, you will come to know whether it is exact differential equation or not. Dou m by dou y is 2 dou m by dou y is x square. You have to differentiate this with respect to y. So y differentiation is 1, so you get x square, and dou n by dou x is minus 3x square. Dou m by dou y is x square and dou n by dou x is minus 3x square. Here it is x square. You look at these two values, are they equal? No, these two are not equal. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, the given differential equation is not exact. If these two are equal, it is exact. Okay, we discussed in the last session how to solve exact differential equation, but here it is not exact since these two are not equal. Okay, if these two values are not equal, I have written it is a not exact. So to make this differential equation exact, you have to multiply with a integrating factor. So here, what is the integrating factor to this given differential equation? To know that, we have to remember this. See, here it is in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is a homogeneous differential equation. If this differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation, then the integrating factor will be 1 by mx plus ny, where mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So first we need to check whether this is a homogeneous differential equation or not. How do you check whether the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation? Actually, simple trick you have to remember here. What is the power of this y power 1. So x square y power 1. So 2 plus 1, the total term power is 2 plus 1 is 3, x cube power 3 and y cube is power 3. Each and every term is having power 3. Therefore, this is a homogeneous differential equation. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. So we need to check whether mx plus ny is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. M is x square into y into x plus n is minus x cube minus y cube into y. So x cube y minus x cube y plus of minus y power 4 plus x cube y minus x cube y cancel. We get minus y power 4, so which is not equal to 0. Therefore mx plus ny is not equal to 0. Integrating factor to this problem is 1 by mx plus ny, that is equal to 1 by minus y power 4. Okay, we got the integrating factor. Now we need to multiply given differential equation with this integrating factor. So what will we get? Here the given differential equation is x square by minus y power 4 into dx minus of x cube plus y cube by minus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. So minus x square, sorry, y gets cancelled, we get y cube dx minus of minus plus x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to, now it is in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here m is minus x square by y cube, n is equal to x cube, this is n, x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. Okay, now you consider this as equation 2. Now find out dou m, this is m1 and this is n1. Dou m1 by dou y you need to find out. Dou n1 by dou y minus x square is a constant term. So y cube can be written as y power minus 3. Y cube can be written as y power minus 3. It is in a form of y power n. Y power n differentiation is n into y power minus 4, that is minus 3 by y power 4. So this is equal to minus of minus plus 3x square by y power 4. So dou n1 by dou x. So this is n1. Okay, you need to differentiate partially with respect to x. So 1 by y power 4 is constant. X cube differentiation is 3x square. So therefore 3x square by y power 4 is dou n1 by dou x. Therefore dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. These two are equal now, 3x square by y power 4, 3x square by y power 4. So therefore the given this equation 2 is exact. Okay, we make the given differential equation to exact differential. Now we got the exact differential equation. If it is exact differential equation, what is the general solution to the exact differential equation? General solution of equation 2 is integral y constant m dx plus integral n dy, terms which are free from x is equal to c. Okay, here integral m is what here? Integral m is m1 is minus x square by y cube into dx, y constant, plus integral n1 here x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. From this you have to write the terms which are free from x. Okay, in the first term you have x term, so it is not a free from x. So in the second term you have only y terms, 1 by y, x is not there. It is a term which is free from x. okay, which is independent of x. Therefore n1 is 1 by y. Okay, here n1 is 1 by y dy, okay, is equal to c. Now when you are integrating with respect to x, we have to consider y as a constant. So if I consider y constant, minus 1 by y cube, you can write outside of the integral x square dx plus 1 by y dy is log y is equal to c. So minus 1 by y cube, x square integration is x cube by 3 plus log y is equal to c. This is equal to minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y is equal to c. So this is the general solution of equation 2. So this gives you the general solution of given differential equation x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. So in this way you have to solve the given differential equation. So let us solve the second problem. Solve x square y minus 2xy square into dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now whenever they ask you to solve differential equation, you must check, is it in a form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 of a m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form? Yes, it is. M is what? X square y minus 2xy square. Here n is what? Minus of x cube minus 3x square y. On simplification, by multiplying with minus, we get minus x cube plus 3x square y. This is n. Okay. Now to know whether, we do not know whether by seeing this differential equation, we do not know whether the differential equation is exact or not. So to know that, we must calculate dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is x square minus 4xy, and dou n by dou x is minus 3x square plus, see here m is x square y minus 2xy square. You are differentiating with respect to y. Dou m by dou y is equal to x square minus 2x into y square. Differentiation is 2y. 2 into 2 is 4. Dou n by dou x minus 3x square plus 6xy. Okay. Now look at these two. Dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are not equal. Dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are not equal. Therefore, it is not exact differential equation. Dou m by dou y and dou n by dou y and dou n by dou x are not equal. Therefore, it is not exact differential equation. Now, you have to make it exact differential equation by multiplying with the integrating factor. So what integrating factor you will get here? To know that, you need to check whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. See, x square y power 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here x power 1 y square, 2 plus 1 is 3, x cube and y square, x square and y power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, each and every term is having same degree. Therefore, it is a homogeneous differential equation. So now if it is a homogeneous differential equation, mx plus ny, we need to find. M is x square y minus 2xy square into x plus n is minus x cube plus 3x square y into y. X cube y minus 2x square y square minus x cube y multiply plus 3x square y square. So x cube y minus x cube y gets cancelled. So 3x square y square minus 2x square y square is x square y square. Therefore mx plus ny, we got it as x square plus y square, which is not equal to 0. Therefore integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. This is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Now we need to, once we get the integrating factor, we need to multiply with this integrating factor. Yes, now given differential by multiplying, we get multiply the given equation by integrating factor 1 by x square, sorry, it is x square y square, x square y square. We get x square y by x square y minus 2xy square by x square y square minus of x cube minus 3x square y by x square y square into dy is equal to 0. This can be written as x square y by x square y square minus 2xy square by x square y square. X square minus x cube y, x square y square minus of minus plus 3x square y by x square y square into dx, we get into dy. Okay, or you can write minus common minus, here you get is equal to 0. mdx minus ndy is equal to 0. Now x square cancel, y cancel, 1 by y minus 2 by x, 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx minus of x by y square minus 3 by y into dy is equal to 0. This x square cancel, y cancel, you get y. Okay, on simplification we get this. Now again we got mdx plus ndy form. Here m1 is 1 by y minus 2 by x, n1 is minus x by y square plus 3 by y. Okay, we need to check whether this is the exact differential equation or not. m1 is 1 by y minus 2 by x and n1 is minus x by y square plus 3 by y. Yes, dou m1 by dou y. Okay, we got m1 and n1. We do not know whether it is exact or not. 1 by y. Okay, 1 by y differentiation is what? Dou n1 by dou x. Okay, in the first term only we have y term. This can be written as y power minus 1. Everyone will remember x power n differentiation. Minus 1 into y power minus 2. It is nothing but minus 1 by y square. Okay, and in the second term you don't have y term, so the constant, this is a constant, differentiation of this with respect to y will become 0. Okay, and coming to the second term, dou n1 by dou x. Dou n1 by dou x is minus 1 by y square. We consider minus 1 by y square is a constant, x differentiation is 1. Now look at these two values. Dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Okay, minus 1 by y square is equal to minus 1 by y square. These two are equal, no? Therefore it is exact. So we made it exact by multiplying with a suitable integrating factor. Once we get exact, general solution is integral m1 dx y constant plus integral n1 dy terms free from x is equal to c. Okay, m1, here m1 is what? 1 by y minus 2 by x. into dx. 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx, y constant, plus integral n1 terms which are free from x. Look at this n1 term. In the second term only you don't have x. This is only free from x. In the first term you have x term. X term is there, so it is not a free from x. So only 3 by y dy you get. Okay, terms free from x. So this is equal to y constant 1 by y into x integral minus 2 into 1 by x dx is log x plus 3 into log y is equal to c. So this is equal to x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to c is the required solution. Okay, this is the required solution. What we did in this session, if it is in a m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we calculated, we checked the necessary and sufficient condition to be exact. If it is exact, you can straight away find out the general solution to the given exact. If it is not exact, you have to make it exact by multiplying with a suitable integrating factor. Okay, then once you get exact differential equation, try to find out the solution to that differential equation. Okay, this is about today's session.